channel. Today we're going to do a little bit of a different type of video. I have my younger sister Sierra here, and I'm going to be doing her makeup and show you guys some of the techniques I use on her face, since she has a different face shape than mine and a different eye shape. If you want to see how we got this look on her today, then keep watching. The first thing we're going to do is prime. We're going to use the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer for that. We're going to set down just the crease, and we're going to use today the ColourPop Truly Madly Deeply Pressed Powder Palette. That's what the outside looks like. And the inside, so we're going to go in with the lightest shade here, called Matter of Fact. Shade, we're going to take Made to Last, some mauve shade here on the bottom, and just take a large fluffy brush for that. I'm going to go in with the shade right beside that called Pretty Cruel. Purple shade. We're going to pack this on the inner and outer corner and also a little into the crease. Brush and just blend the edges of that. We're going to take some of the NYX glitter primer and put that in the center part that we left blank. Comes in handy for this part. We're going to go with the glitter shade here called Indio. It's a pretty purpley glitter. And take that on our finger too and push that right on top of the glitter primer. Wow, that looks great. Loose ones, they don't make as much of a mess. They have sticky stuff in them. MGJ Production. Back in with that same brush we used for the darker shade and just kind of blend the edge of the glitter so it's not a harsh line. Take some more of that shade and just pack it again. Brush shape's a lot better for that than mine, because mine transfers at the top because of my hood, and yours doesn't. Just blended everything with no additional product. little more of that first shade and go over. Take a makeup wipe to get off the fallout. Prime the face, and we're going to use the Cover FX blurring primer. Everyone even had this. Still have it. Yeah, this was a good match. You can have this if you want. Good, I'll do you. You too white and pale. I was going to put my tanner on last night, but I didn't feel like putting it. We're on quarantine, so. So you have markings, like travel markings. Yo, that's crazy. What a lovely face. You don't get wrinkles in my face. You're wrinkles in your forehead. It's like magic. Why is my neck so tan? Oh, even mine looks tannish. Like, whiter than me though. I'll take it. I'll take some color. You won't look as white in the camera. I know. I ain't been outside for like 3 weeks. No joke. This bitch ain't stepping outside. She ain't getting the corona. She gonna turn into a white ghost though. No, I just grab on some color when I need it. I mean, it's pointless. You ain't going nowhere. You're in the house. Okay, turn your head this way, son. See my natural though. My arms are wider than my chest. That scar get bigger on your forehead? I don't feel like it. Do you? I hit it on something else. Wow. So you redid it? Yeah, I'll play fine. Ain't you a little old for that? Don't laugh. Yeah. Forgot to say the foundation we were using. It's the Wonder Beauty Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation in the shade Fair. Benefit Bling Cakeless Concealer. And I like it because it doesn't crease and it doesn't look cakey. Have you ever used it? I forgot what the benefit was. That Ulta? It's cheaper. Like a pencil. They have mini ones for I think $10, half the size. Try it. So I got my tan color in a mini one. MGJ Production. Dermablend loose setting powder. Set everything. The dark pink one too. They have a light one called a camo concealer sponge. It won't grab on the foundation. Then for contour, we're going to take the Catrice Cosmetics Prime and Fine Professional Contouring Palette. How do you do that with no nails? I forgot to mention the bronzer. It's Pretty Vulgar in the shade Bronzed. Bronze Mannequin it says. And then for blush we also have by Pretty Vulgar their blush in Hush Blush. Pinky purple. We're taking the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette. This one's in Pink Sands. Taking Santorini and Azure, I may not be saying that right, and just mixing the two. We're going to do the lower lash line, and for that we're going to take that dark purple, the Pretty Cruel shade, on a pencil brush. In the inner corner, I'm going to use this Elizabeth Mott Smooth Shadow Creamy Eye Pencil. Guys, that's it for this video today. I hope you enjoyed seeing me do someone else's makeup since I haven't done that on my channel yet. If there's any other videos you would like to see either the two of us do or just video suggestions for me, leave that down below. As always, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe before you leave if you haven't already. Bye.
Welcome to Virginia, where you experience all 4 seasons in 2 days.
Yeah, I know.
My friend's house had snow on the ground this morning.
I know, I just showed you a video of it pouring. Is that animals or kids?
That's kids. I feel like I'm looking somewhere else.
This is yeah. We keep looking at the screen. I do it all the time. And I'm up there filming. I have my little TV on. Okay. The bomb.